Hey everybody, welcome to Wednesday. Happy Hump Day. It is November the 2nd. We are cruising into November and we had a great October. Saw those movie trailers last week, super awesome. We're going to do that again coming up in building here. We're going to do that again for November. We're going to do it for December. It's going to be a blast. It's going to be a fun time. Looking forward to all of that. But it is Wednesday, and this month, we're talking about routine. I talked about it a little bit yesterday, but this week is going to challenge your routine. Why? Because on November 6th, Sunday, this coming Sunday, we fall back. Yes, daylight savings rears its ugly head again. Actually, in the fall, I don't mind it so much. It's the spring one that kills me. Anyway, this is up for vote again. The Congress or whoever's going to vote on changing it, and they do this every few years. It gets on the ballot, and they try to change it, then they chicken out, and they never do. So who knows? Who cares? But it does mess with your schedule a little bit because it gets darker sooner at night. So maybe you don't travel when it's dark outside, or you don't want to travel when it's dark outside. So you got to shift your schedule a little bit, plan appropriately. Some transit and stuff may change a little bit. You always got to make sure when the time change happens, one, you start with your own routine. Make sure you change all your clocks in your house and all that kind of stuff. Smartphones and computers and stuff these days automatically do it on their own, so no sweat there. But if you've got a manual clock at home, maybe that's your alarm, or on your microwave, or your oven or something like that, or in your house, that can screw you up a little bit. So make sure you go around and change those so your routine from a time standpoint stays put. All right? That's this Sunday, November 6th. Blah. I hate it when it gets dark outside early. I don't like it. I like summer. I like sunshine. I want more sunshine. All right, let's have a little fun. We're going to check out what's going on Amazon. Amazon has the weirdest products. They have so many products. There's weird products. And every once in a while I get on these little tangents, these little binges of checking out the weird crap that I find on Amazon. So here we go. We're going to start right over here with the travel foldable electric kettle. Yeah, it's a kettle, like a tea kettle or a coffee pot, basically. It warms the water for your tea, and it's foldable and travelable, and yeah, I didn't know I needed that. Egg bears. This is actually kind of cool, but I would never use it. This is for cooking hard-boiled eggs. You put the little eggs in the bears, they hold them, and you drop them in. It doesn't really do anything other than that. I don't know. A hairy stool. That sounds like a funny name. Hairy stool. Hey, come on in here, hairy stool. Yeah, a hairy stool. Just because if you got a shaggy dog and you want the furniture to match what your dog looks like, maybe that's why you would buy that one. I don't know. The tortilla blanket. Who doesn't need a tortilla blanket? Oh, this would be a great gift for Clayton. I bet Clayton has one of these already. He probably has like a taco blanket, so when you fold it up, it looks more like you're a taco than a tortilla. But yeah, a tortilla blanket. Ooh, got you right in the eyeball. Yeah, and the last one is the pantry organizer. Now, this one I actually like. I like the idea of a pantry organizer, little baskets and stuff that organize your stuff. This is a great suggestion for your cupboards, your pantry, closets, shoes, all kinds of stuff. I definitely recommend it. My biggest challenge with this was the image that they used for it. Whose refrigerator is that? That's what I want to know. Whose refrigerator looks like that? Nailed the microphone. All right. Yeah. Okay, so this week we are going to be working on our routine all week long, but just sticking with the morning routine is routine. And on the morning routine, we stick to our routine of various things, which is Back in the Past with Zach.
Hey guys, I can't believe I'm back. It's Wednesday. No. It's the middle of the week. Good stuff, you guys. We're at second, oh my gosh, we're like 23 days away now from Thanksgiving. That's my favorite holiday, actually. Out of all the holidays, that is my favorite one. But before I get all into that, let's go back in the bearded past with Zach. So I kind of wanted to start doing this little bit of piece here on Stanislaus County. I've noticed Gabrielle, she's picking up this stuff about events in the area. Well, I love history. We all know that. And I came across a book at my house the other day, and it's the history of Stanislaus County. So I started reading it, and I thought, you know what? Let's go down that road. So I'm going to start you off. Why is there Stanislaus County? How did that happen? Stanislaus County actually was formed from part of Tuolumne County. Those of you who don't know, Tuolumne County is where Sonora's at, Jamestown, some of those Mountain Twain Heart, okay? And so what happened is there was this man, the Stanislaus name came from an Indian chief who was put in a Spanish facility. His last name was, they gave him a name, Estanlio, right? That is the Spanish name for Stanislaus. He was an Indian chief who went on to fight a lot of wars, battles I should say, at that time against the Mexicans. Eventually he was defeated by General, I believe it was Margicio, and he was beat by the general, but they named Stanislaus County after that Indian chief's name he received, and that was not uncommon. The Spanish missions did bring a lot of native folks into these missions and tried to get them to convert religiously. They thought they were saving them. So, a lot of them did rebel, and this chief did, and there we go. It started off, and that was the name of the Stanislaus River, and that's really where it began. There's a lot more, believe it or not, to go into, and I'll do that going next week, you guys. Have a good one, man. Take care. Bye now.
Very good. Always cool stuff in history. History's pretty amazing, and good job, Zach, for bringing us more of that good history. Now, Gabrielle's going to bring us some more good things going on in the area, because if you got things you want to do in the area, you can go do them in the... Wow, I've been hanging out with Rocker Bob too much. Let's just see what Gabrielle's got.
Good morning, everybody. Here we are on a Wednesday. Yay, you know. I gotta hear it. We'll do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hump Day! Wednesday, the 2nd of November. Hump Day. Here we are, day number 2 of our Grateful Giving Month. And we're gonna be doing a lot of it. A lot of volunteering, a lot of doing good in the community. We're going to start our can drive for the Salvation Army. We're going to help pack all those things for the Salvation Army. We're going to get out to the river, do cleanups, go down to what is called the VIPS building next week, I think. VIP, very important persons. No, visually impaired persons, which are very special people as well. We're going to help clean up their stuff around there. Just going to do some great things. We're going to give back. Lots of things going on. So, anyway, so many things going on in town. Lots of things happening. Concerts. Lots of things happening for the season. So I thought I'd give you another one. I don't know if this is how they pronounce it, but this is how I'm going to pronounce it. Because it's 2 words mashed up together. It is Foreigner, the group, and Journey, the group. And they call it For Jour, I think. Kind of like Bonjour. DiGiorno? I don't know, but that's what they call themselves. And they sing songs, of course, from Journey and from Foreigner. They sing all the songs. I think it's kind of cool. But they're going to be at the State Theater this Saturday night. So if you like music of that era, you enjoy their songs, which who doesn't? You could probably start rattling off a bunch of them right now. I think it's cool. I really want to go, except I have something already going on that Saturday night. Otherwise, I think I would have gotten tickets. But it's something to look forward to and something to go see. It's really nice acoustics there in the old State Theater, and I think it would be really cool just to go out there and rock out. So that's what's going on around here on Saturday. Just one of the things that are going on. And like I said, let's do things in our community, give back to our community. And the State Theater is one of our local gems right here downtown. So, everybody have a great day today on Hump Day.
All right, everybody. Yes. It is Wednesday. We talk about employment coming up. Facebook Live, 1 o'clock. We'll talk some employment stuff with Zach. He's got some cool stuff there. This is a cool time of year because it's November, the season of giving and giving thanks. This is the month of November, and then giving is kind of December. And it's a great time of year where people actually really get involved in community and taking care of other people, helping. I don't know why we don't do it all year long, but people really get into it this time of year, so we'll take what we can get. And we got some great employment opportunities, volunteer opportunities coming up that have to do exactly with that, giving back to the community. Really cool stuff coming up. You'll hear about it in program. We'll talk about it later. We'll see some cool shots of people in action, some really awesome volunteer opportunities coming up. So good stuff. Otherwise, that is it for today. We'll see you Facebook Live, 1 o'clock for Employment Talk with Zach. Otherwise, have a great Wednesday, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow, Thursday, on the Morning Routine. Take care, everybody.